Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, is slides visible there? Slides are visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay. So, we are here basic arithmetic in mathematics. Say if we want to add two numbers, say a and b, our command will be a plus b. Plus sign it is used, and similarly subtraction a minus b, and for division a slash b, and for multiplication we use star, or sometimes we can also use a space between two a and b. Or for there is alternate command also. For addition we can write plus, within square bracket we can write a comma b, like that also. Then so there are for basic statistics, like if we are given a set of integers, say like 1 2 3 4, I am just written, so mean can be evaluated. Just we'll use that command mean, 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 and inside the square brackets we'll have the numbers. Then median, similarly we can find, use the word median as a command. Then mean deviation also we can find, standard deviation also we can find. Also, for if we are given two sets of data like x equal to 1 2 3 and y equal to minus 2 5 3, and for this set of data we can also find correlation coefficients. So there are many other applications of Mathematica software in statistics also. So we can do the computation with the help of mathematics. So to find, for example, correlation between two sets of data, correlation, and for writing the arguments, we'll use this square brackets. So inside two curly brackets, we'll put the arguments of first as x and comma, then second as y. So this will, and then we'll press shift plus enter, we'll get the correlation coefficients in the notebook itself. So similarly we can draw pie charts, bar chart, and histogram for a given set of data. So here I have given some commands, written some examples. This is first one is pie chart. So this is our say frequency of some good, better, best, like that. And if we put this command in the notebook of Mathematica and press shift enter, we'll get the pie chart, which can be copied from notebook to any Word file, or can be converted as a PDF file, and then it can be copied to the words. Similarly, we can have histogram with these data up to say 9 1 2 9, and the space interval length will be say 3. So accordingly the output will be given in the Mathematica. So bar chart also we can calculate, we can draw here. So like this, we have frequency say 1 2 9, then each bar will be labeled as 2019, say to 2020 and 2021, like this. We'll see these examples practically in this software. Similarly, for plotting, we can have, if we have a function of one variable, say fx, so we have to plot this function between the range x minimum, means minimum value of x, and this is maximum value of x. So we'll write plot within square bracket, we'll define the function fx, and we'll put the variable x, comma, then minimum value, then the maximum value. So again, we have 3D plotting also. If we have function of two variables, say x and y, and this within this curly bracket will give the range of variable x and range of variable y, and then execute with the help of shift enter command to get the output. we'll get a 3D diagram for this function. So we'll go for this, and of course this Mathematica software is expensive, but we have an option to work with Mathematica through online. The website is www.wolframcloud.com. From Google itself we can go Wolfram Cloud, we can type, and there we have to sign up. It is free using our email ID. After signing in, they will send an email to our ID, our email ID for verification. We can verify and then we can work online also. So these are basic things we need to know about Mathematica. So now we'll open and work with this Mathematica software. We'll see some examples. So I am closing this this slide presentation. I will open the Mathematica software. So I will 1 minute. Let me share. Okay. Okay, just clicking this, we have an icon like this, you know, in my desktop. I have just opened this one, and this screen is came out. This part where we can do our calculations is called Notepad. It is called Notepad, notebook, and here we have, we can close this one. Let us say here we are given this basis. We can have this type of this plates. We have, these are for basics. This is for multiplication, writing square root, then fraction, then this is for pi. So this is just like equation editor in Word. So
full screen is not visible, sir.
Okay. Let me try again. Is it visible now?
No, sir.
It is visible, or I think
Only the title bar is showing.
Only the title, sir.
yes, Wolfram Mathematica 7.0 like this. Is this visible?
Yes,
The
yes.
title is visible, sir.
Okay, rest is blank. I have
Yes,
not written
rest is
anything.
Sir.
So this is the notebook. Here we'll do calculation. Now is it visible? 2 plus 2.
No, sir. No, sir.
It is not visible.
No, sir.
Let me check again. What is the issue? 1 minute. I will again do it. Can you see Untitled 1? Hello?
Yes, sir. Untitled one is showing, and this menu tab is also showing file edit inside. After
Okay,
that, nothing.
rest is blank. Rest is blank. I
Yes,
have
yes.
not yet. Okay. So
Okay.
just we'll begin with basic arithmetics. Say 2. I want to add two numbers, say 2 and 3. I will write 2 plus 3. Now in the bar, toolbar, you can see evaluation. Okay. Evaluation, we can, here it is given evaluate cells in the first one itself, and shortcut is given as shift plus enter. So if we write, we click this once, evaluate cells, that means it is shift plus enter, will get 2 plus 3. Okay, another thing, let us, is it visible now, 2 plus 3?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is not visible.
No, sir. No, sir. Only the title bar is visible.
I don't know what is the issue here. I will try again once more. Now it is visible. 2 plus 3, 5.
No, sir.
No, sir. Only the title bar.
Okay, then we have what to do. Why it is not visible? It should be visible because I have opened it here. Don't know what is the issue with here. Let me save this one once. Maybe due to this it is happening. I think we'll try to do it online. Okay. There is some issue with this one. I don't know what is the problem here. Can you see the Google now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll try to do it online.
Okay, sir.
So in Google, we'll go for Wolfram Cloud. So have you seen here Wolfram Cloud? Is it visible
Yes,
now?
sir. It is visible. Yes, sir. It is visible.
So just click that one. Here, this screen will come, Wolfram Cloud. Here we have two options given. Basic plan sign up for free, it is in red, and then sign in. So if we do not have an account already, then we have to sign up for free. And if we have account, we will sign in here. So I already have created one account, so I will sign in here. So I've just clicked. Okay. Okay, so I will just put my email ID here. Then so password is this. So we'll okay. So this screen will come. So new notebook. It is same there as here. So we'll click this one. We'll get a notebook page. This one. Yes. So net is a bit slow. Okay. Can you see 2 now here? I have written something here.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So now we will do say addition. 2. I want to add 2 plus 3. So 2 and 3. So I will simply write 2 plus 3. Now we can go to this evaluation. Here it is given evaluate cells. Then if we click this one, and it is shortcut is also given shift plus enter. That is the shortcut in our keyboard. We can click here from this. So your input is our 2 plus 3 and output is 5. Another way, let us assign. We can take A is equal to say 5 and B I will take as 6. Now here equal to sign means it is assignment. Just we do in C programming or C plus programming. Equal to 1 equal to sign means it is assignment, not equal to. Okay, A is assigned with value 5 and B is assigned with value 6. Now I want to find A minus B. So I will assign C equal to say A minus B. I will just press shift enter. So it is given A is 5, B is 6 output, and this C is A minus B. It is minus 1 here. Then again, if we take B, I will take say A by B. A by B means A is divided by B. So we'll get 5 by 6. Okay, now it is in rational number. So if I want this in decimal form, I will simply use one command n, that is numerical value. And if we write percentage here in the argument, 5 argument, that is percentage, it will give new decimal value of this 5 by 6. So we'll just put, it will come as 0.8333 like this. So n percentage, it will act only on the output above it. Okay, then for multiplication, suppose we want to find multiplication, say I will write m. I want to multiply the value a and b. So I will write a star b. So and then I will press shift enter. So I will get output as 30. Then suppose I want to find some power of a. So I want to find a to the power b. So I will use one, I will write a, then this cap. Is it cap is visible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, a power b. That means 5 to the power 6. So I will press shift enter. It will come as 15625. So these are basic arithmetic operations. Further, we can have some other like expressions, simplification like this. Let us first solve a quadratic equation. suppose I want to solve a quadratic equation. So suppose I want to solve this x squared plus x plus 1. Now equal to 0. For equal to, we'll put double equal. Single is assignment. For equal to, we'll have double equal sign, and it should be 0, comma, then our variable is x. Your variable is x. So we'll go for x. So let us press it. So its value is come, it has two roots. Say minus 1 to the power 1 by 3, and then our next one is minus 1 to the power 2 by 3. So these are the two roots. So if I want to, let us try to simplify, let us take another equation. I will take, say, x cube. X cube, say 2x plus 1. So let us now, this net. So we'll have these three roots. Okay. These are complex roots. Okay. So if I like this, if let us try to factor this, what I will get? No, it is giving numerical value. Okay. So we can have another notebook, say so, or we can, so here you can see this double equal gives equal to sign. Okay. So another thing, let us try to plot some function. So let us try plot. I want to plot the function, say x square. Say x, I will write 1 minute, x square plus x plus 1. Okay, its argument should be inside bracket. Then this is the function I want to plot. Then it is x, and between values of x ranges from, say, 0 to 8. Okay, so let us there is, I think, some problem. 1 is missing, I think. Okay, now we can do it. Okay, that is slow. Okay, we get this graph x. So this is the graph of x squared plus x plus 1 when the range of x is from 0 to 8. So this can be copied from here, or we can export this file. Okay, filed, we can download this file here. So we can download it here, or we can take print out, print to PDF. We'll get this one. Have you seen this? I will show the PDF one also. 1 minute. So this is the PDF output. Okay, so from here we can copy the file. 1 minute. So we can copy this one, or download here. We can download in the desktop or in other folder, wherever we want. So this is how we plot graph. So let us try for 3D plot. Let us write plot. See, it is 3D. Commands is coming automatically. So we will have at least a function of two variables. Say I want to plot x squared plus y, and it will be like this. Say for range of x is 1 to, say, 6, and for y I will again write this one from say 1 to say 6. So then we'll press shift enter. So we'll get a 3D figure like this. So this can be exported as a PDF file from here and can be pasted in the Word document or in the LaTeX document. Okay, so this is about plotting of functions. Functions in Mathematica. Okay. Now suppose we want to calculate this mean. So we simply write mean, and our this, see here it comes mean, mean deviation, mean field, mean deviation, mean absolute loose layer. There are many others. So one has to explore this. What are these things? So let us write mean. I want to find mean of say first 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then say 10. So mean will be this. So we simply write like this. I think there is some mistake. I have done some mistake here. Yes, why it is not coming? Should be, is it like this? Yes. So this data, the first 10 numbers should be written inside curly brackets. So we get mean of first 10 numbers as 11 by 2. And suppose I want it's in decimal form. So I will write here double space, then n, means numerical value. So let us, then it is comes at 5.5, like this. And all these are available as a help in the right hand side. Here we can see. 1 minute. In help we can check the commands, what command is needed. Okay, this is not showing, net is slow. Okay, so suppose like this. Okay, it has come. So from here on the right hand side we can check what command we command for calculating a particular data. Say for elementary arithmetic, starting out. So I will click this elementary mathematics in the right hand side. So it is taking time. So like this, you'll get this 2 plus 2, 4. Then it is showing here. Is my screen visible there?
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. So in right hand side, we can search for the appropriate command to do the operations. Okay, it's 2 plus 2 addition, then 5 minus 2, that is subtraction, 2 star 3, it is multiplication, so 6 by 2, it is division. So this slash, this is the way of writing in the notebook for doing the operations. 3 cap 2, that means 3 to the power 2, that means output will be 8, like this. So from here we can search for appropriate colors, commands. So there it is given. Then suppose we want to find is median. So simply we'll write median, and then we can copy this. So we can copy also, and then here we'll paste. Sorry, I have copied something else. You can copy this one. it, then okay. So we'll get the, is it median? Okay, it will be again 11 by 2. Is it correct or what? Suppose I will change some digit here. 5, say I will take this as 4, this is 2, this 3, I will take 1. So let us see. Median is 4, like this. And if I want to find mean deviation, I will just change in the mean command itself. I will change mean, I will write deviation. I'm just changing it, mean deviation. So it will be 2.5. Now if I want to find standard deviation, so I can write standard here. Standard deviation. Standard deviation. So let us then press shift enter. So it will be 3.02765. Like this, we can do the basic statistics in this way. Complicated statistics can also be done. And for that, we need to check for appropriate command from the help menu. It is not possible to remember all the commands. There are many commands. So these are some of the basic commands. Then we can go for calculus also. A bit of calculus. Suppose we want to integrate. Suppose we want to integrate a function. Say x square I want to integrate. So for that, we'll simply write the command integrate. Then I will write the function here. Say x square and the variable with which the integration is done. So I am writing the variable x. That means x square. Say. That means I am integrating x square with respect to the variable x. So let us see. It will be x cubed by 3. Similarly, if we differentiate, we want to differentiate, we can write d. So we write d here. D is for differentiation. D, suppose I want to differentiate this x cubed by 3. X cubed by 3. Okay. So for grouping, we use parentheses. So I will write x cubed by 3. Sorry, by 3. Then the variable x. So we'll get x squared. Or if I delete this by 3, so I will get 3x squared. So for integration, we use the command integrate. For differentiation, we use the command d. D is for differentiation. Then, so for definite integration, we use same commands. Right here, so suppose I want to integrate this x square between 1 to 2, say, from 1 to 2. So our variable is x, then our minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 2. That means it is integration x squared dx from, and limit is from 1 to 2. Then we'll press shift enter. So it comes out to be 7 by 3, like that. Similarly, we can do derivatives also. So here it is x cubed So x cube, what will happen if we put here, if we put x is the variable 1 and I will say 2. I think multiple, sorry, it should be 1 derivative at a point. Okay. Like this. I think it is not coming. Is it coming? No. So I have to check this one, how this will happen. Derivative at a point. Or we can do it in another way. So I think it is not coming here. So what we'll do, we'll remove this one. Say I will take this as some k. K is equal to this dx cube. Okay. D of x cube. So let me write here. I will write say d x cube with respect to x. So I will press, so I will get 3x squared. Now I will assign this. So I will write this as a function, say f, then this is a function of x. So let us define a function f, say f equal to this, f x underscore I will write, and this means this is equal to 3x squared. So I can copy it here from here, or I will write say 3x squared. Now I want to find derivative of x cube at 1, say x is equal. I will simply write say I will write f1. Let us see whether it will come or not. Okay, there is some issue here. Is it coming? Or f1. 3x square, x is protected. It's showing something, some error. It should come. It should come like this. It should come. I don't know why it is showing like this. Let me try again. So here we can search how to define a function. So I will search here function. Okay. Let us see. It is not given here. The function is defined like this actually. F, or it is underscore x equal to say 3x square. Then if I want to find f of 1, it should come like this. No, it is, there is some problem here. Yes. Okay. So we can search in Google. Okay, how to function is Mathematica. I think I have done some mistake here somewhere. Is it like this? like this. I think it is not working. We have to check this one. Okay, we'll see some later on. I will give. So I will check this one and I will provide this later on. There is some issue. Okay, suppose I want to find then maximum and minimum value of fx, some function. So suppose I want to find maximum and minimum value of a function fx. So to find maximum value, I will write maximize. So I will write maximize command. Maximize this command, it is maximize. Then we can write, say, x square plus x, and then the variable x. So its maximum value is infinity, and we're at the point minus infinity. Okay. So let us make it slightly different. X square divided by, say, x cube plus 1. See? Okay. Now we can have a. Okay, its maximum value is infinity at x is when x is equal to minus 1. We can try another value and say we can take another one, 2x square minus 2x plus 5. So if I want to find maximum value, I think there is okay. Why this obvious? Okay, if I put minus here, minus 2x square minus 2x plus 5, I will take this plus, make it this plus. Let us check then. So its maximum value is 11 by 2 and its point of maximum is 1 by 2. Like this, we can find maximum value. Similarly, if I want to find minimum value, I will write minimize. M-I-N-I. Minimize. Then we'll put shift enter. So minimum value is minus infinity. So if I take this as plus and this as minus, then what we'll get? We can get this. So its minimum value is 9 by 2 and the point at which minimum value occurs is 1 by 2, like this. Then we can have some constraint also. We can use constraint also to find maximum and minimum value. Suppose we have this. I want to find a maximum value, so I will write maximize and of this, say, x square. Let us take function of two variable, x square plus y, as constraint is x plus y is less than, say, 1, and then the variable at the point, any point xy. So we'll write like this and we'll get So this is indeterminate. So if I write minus here, whether we'll get the finite value. So it is coming same. So we have to change the function. So what we'll do, I will write x, say x minus say 2y. I will write x square then plus y square. I will write plus y square. So we'll get this. Let us see. Okay, so its maximum value occurs at, maximum value is √5, and the point where it occurs, it takes the maximum value is x equal 1 by √5 and y is 2 minus 2 by √5. So likewise we can find minimum value. So let us convert this one to the minimum. So what we'll get? MIZD. So let us put this command, shift enter. So its minimum value is minus √5, and minimum value occurs at x equal to 1 by √5 and y is equal to 2 by √5. So these are some basics of calculus that we can do using Mathematica. So let us go for matrix. Matrix operations, how to write a matrix in Mathematica. So we'll write here. So for writing matrix, we write matrix form. We'll use the command matrix form. Then for argument we'll use square bracket. Then suppose we want to write a 3 cross 3 matrix. So what we'll do is we'll write the first row. First we have used we'll use one curly bracket, close curly bracket first. Then inside that curly brackets we'll write the rows. We want to write a 3 cross 3 matrix. Say 1, 2 plus 3. This is our first row. Again, for second row we can write say 2 minus 2, then 3 like this, and third row will write say 5, 9, then 1. So and then we'll put the command shift enter. So it comes like this: 1, 2, 3, then 2 minus 2, 3, then 5, 9, 1. Now we want to find its determinant, say. So we'll write determinant, DET is for determinant. Then square bracket, then we can copy this matrix from here. Let us see, copy it. So we'll paste here, say. So if I paste here, so let us try. So its determinant comes out to be 81 or 81. So we can find its inverse also. So inverse we can write simply here inverse. So I will take inverse the command, and I will put this here, matrix here. So we'll get this as inverse. Now this shows what? First this minus 29 by 81, then 25 by 81, 4 by 27. This is the first row. This is second and third row like this. So to get this one in matrix form, I will write, after this command we'll write double slash. I will simply write matrix form here, and then press shift enter. So then we'll get the inverse in this form. Now we can do some operations of this matrix. So let us consider this. I will copy this one. I'll just put A here. We'll define this, assign A as this matrix. I'll simply write matrix A. And then B, I will give another matrix. So first row I will write say 0, 3, 7. And second row I will write -1, 3, -4. And then third row I will write say 7, -8, -2. So these are two matrices. I will write here matrix form. And then here also I will write matrix form. So let us press. I think it is not coming. Why? Shall I write here form? Okay, it comes as A and B. This is A, this is B. So we have defined two matrices A and B. So we can do some operations like addition of matrices. So simply I will write C equal to say A plus B. A plus B. Let us write it. C is protected, it says. So I will write some J. Then I will write. Is it? I think why it is not coming. It should come. Don't know what is issue. Why it is coming like it should show A plus B. It should come as single matrix A plus B. Let me check this, why it is happening. Or I have to write matrix form here. Let me see. 1 minute. Okay. A plus B should come. What about A minus B? It should have come. Or I will, 1 minute. I will do this as, I will simply write this without matrix form. I think this is the error here. I have to remove this one. A, this square bracket I have to remove. This AB I should write like in this form, A. Okay, so now we can find A plus B. What is A plus B? It should come like this. Okay, this is A. Now it has come. So I will write some T equal to this. Okay, now it is coming. So T, A is this, B is this one, and T is this. So I want this in matrix form. So I will write here matrix form. So it should come like this. Okay, this is A plus B. So 1 plus 2, is it? Yes, 1, 1, 2. Okay, A plus B. So I will write here matrix form. Matrix form, I will write here. So here it is A, this is B, and this is, now it is not coming. So if I write matrix form here, it is not coming. It comes as A plus B. So I will delete this one. It is better. Let's see. Let's see. Now, okay, it is coming in this form. A plus B. Now for multiplication here, we do not put. If what will happen if we put star? So it is this one, A star B. So it is the multiplication of matrix A and B. So T is our this matrix T. So we can take the transpose here. So if we take transpose, for finding transpose, we simply write transpose. Transpose, and our matrix is T. So we write T here. So I think we are not getting transpose. We should get transpose T. Or we'll copy this matrix. We can copy this one. We put here. Then we press Shift Enter. So we get this one. 1 minus 2, 3, 5. So we want this one in matrix form. So we'll write double slash matrix form. So this is the transpose of this one. Similarly, we can find its trace. If we want to find trace, our command will be tr. So tr this. So let us try to find trace. So if we want to find trace, we write tr for trace. So we'll get trace of this matrix. Then press Shift Enter. So its trace is -7. So -6 minus 2 plus 1. So it is -7. Then we can also find eigenvalues, characteristic polynomials, then null space of this matrix also. Suppose to find eigenvalues of this one. So I will simply write eigenvalues, then square bracket, I will enter the matrix here. I think it's one square bracket, this one. So its eigenvalues are this -42.2, 37.8, and 2.53. Its square root is. So similarly, we can also find eigenvectors also. Simply values will replace by eigenvectors, and then press Shift Enter. I think some issue is there with the online version. It has some issues. So if I think there is some issue with the online. So let us try to find characteristic polynomial. Let us see. Characteristic polynomial. Characteristic polynomial. Mistake. Spelling. Characteristic polynomial. The matrix, this one. Let us write this one, characteristic polynomial of this matrix. Say matrix A. I will write directly A here. Take this A. So if I take A here, directly I will write A. Say I will write here another matrix. 1, 2, first row. And second one I will write 2, 3. Say. I will write here matrix. If I take this one, I put here. So it's not coming. It should have come. Character. Spelling mistake is there. Characteristic polynomial. And I must put the variable here. Okay, variable is missing. X. Now let us try. Some mistake is there. Some spelling mistake or like that. I think some error occurred here. I think there is some issue with my network. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think there is some problem with the network here. Oh.
Maybe, sir.
Okay, sir.
One minute. So characteristic. Okay, we are trying to find characteristic. Okay, so to find characteristic polynomial, we use this command. Characteristic. Suppose next we'll say we'll define a matrix A. So matrix A will define like this, and this is same. I will take this one. This is the matrix actually. So I will just copy and place it here. Okay, so to find characteristic polynomial, we'll use characteristic polynomial command. So I will just write here. So it will be characteristic polynomial. Here it is given. So it is for A function, matrix A, and we'll just put the variable X. So we'll get same. It is same. So we can define matrix like this, or we can directly put matrix here. So we'll get the characteristic polynomial. And then we can also simplify, verify what will be its. So in linear we have Kelly-Hamilton theorem. So we can verify. So we'll write here x equal to A, that is our matrix A, and then we can say simplify. We can simplify this polynomial. So we have copied it, and then we'll press. Now let us see. So x is A, simplify this x. It should not be x square, I said right, but x star x. So it should be 0. So I think here it should be a one identity matrix. A is this, then what is 5x? Let us check. Come. It should have come here. 5, 10, 13. So it is correct. Then if I take x dot over. Okay. Then we have minus 2. Minus 2 if I write here. Okay, this minus 2 is creating a problem. So we should have an identity matrix also. So we should write some B. Here B will define like this. That is the issue. 1, 0. Say I will write 0, 1. So I will write 2 B here. Now It is not taking. So we have to check this one. Is det of I, it is taking or not? Det of B. Okay, this 0 is not, is it 0 or 0? Okay, I have written OO, I think. Oh, one, I forgot this extra, there should be extra bracket. So that B will be that of B should be 1. Comma is left out, I think. This due to this one, it is happening. Yes. That of B is 1. So this I will write now B. So okay. So this is verified. So Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. This is A. Characteristic polynomial of A is this one, minus 5x plus x square minus 2. So x we have assigned A and B is our identity matrix. So if we write minus 5x plus x dot x, or I think star will also work here. No, star is on the for matrix multiplication, it is dot. Dot we should use dot. So because it will vector, so vector product, scalar vector product. So we'll have x dot x, then minus 2 b. B is our identity matrix of order 2, so it is 2b. So if we do this, that we'll get 0 0. So we get the square. Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. Okay, so we'll go for some graphical part. How to draw histogram, how to draw bar chart. So we'll go to that one now. So we'll just check the commands. What are the commands there? So we just recall those. So okay, suppose I want to draw a pie chart. So to draw the pie chart, we'll go to like this pie chart. So inside this, so our number is, say, frequency is, we can say 2, 2, then 3, then 4. So this is this. So let us write like this. First, then put shift enter. So we get this one. This is the pie chart. But we want to define these colors. So we'll just put a comma and then we use the command chart legends. Say chart legends. So this, then one there, right arrow, and we'll put, say, we'll put good, using double inverted comma, we'll put good, then say better, and then we can put here excellent, say. So then we'll give the command shift enter. So our pie charts come like this. So this part is good, this is better, and this is excellent, like this. So we can draw the pie charts. Now this same can force this data. Let us try to draw the histogram. So for histogram, we can write histogram. So I will copy this one, this part. I will write, later I will write histogram. I have 2, 3, 4. These are, so I will put shift enter. Histogram. I think there is a spelling mistake. So it comes out to be like this. So of course I have not defined. So histogram, I will put some more numbers here. 1, 2, 3, say 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, say. And class interval is say 3. So then I can put here. Then I will get this. Here is some issue. So 3, if I put more 9 here, say 1, 9, 8 here, let us see what I will get. I will get like this. So this is how we draw the histogram. Then again bar chart for the same. Say we want to draw the bar chart. So for bar chart, we'll write bar. Here it is given bar chart will come automatically. So we then square bracket will write. Then parentheses say 1, 2, 3. So these are the frequencies say. So let's draw. Get this bar chart. Now I want to put the levels here. So we'll use the command. We'll use the command chart levels. We want to put levels here. So I will write chart levels, chart levels, then one right arrow, and then curly bracket, then say I will within double inverted comma I will write 2019, then 2020, then 2021. So we'll get, let us then press shift enter. I think I have forgot to put the inverted commas here. I think some mistake occurred somewhere. I think there should be double. Let me put one more. Level now, it should be I think level. So let's put like this. Chart levels. Bar chart. I think chart levels. Let me put double here. I think there is some mistake I have done. So we can take the help from here. We can take help from here. So let us try. Chart levels. Yes, it should come. Bar chart. Is it like this? Let me copy. It should have come. Will it come? Okay, it comes like this. Chart. What is the spelling mistake? Bar chart. Then 1, 2, 3. Here double curly bracket is there. Then chart levels. Then this 19, 20, 21. So it is correct, almost exactly same. So it will come out like this. 2019 it is 1, 2020 it is 2, 2020-21 it is 3. So like this we can draw pie diagram, then we can have histogram, and then we can have bar chart also. So now these files, say this is the file we have created. This file can be exported or downloaded as a PDF file, or we can download this. So if we want to download in the form of PDF file, we'll get this one. This is the bar chart, then this is histogram, this is the pie diagram. So pie diagram can be drawn in 3D way also, pie chart. So if I add pie 3D, let us write 3D, what we'll get. So 3D. So if I write, we'll get a pie chart of this type also. So this is how we draw pie chart, and this can be copied. These images can be copied easily from here. We can copy, save images, copy image, and then we can paste in doc file. So we can paste those files. So these are some of the basic things I want to show. Of course, there is another one. I will. So data, there is, say, suppose we want to draw points. So points. So say I want to draw one, denotes the points in the diagram. So I will write, say, point. I will write list plot. It is already there in Mathematica. It is given list plot, and say I want to plot 1 to 10. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, say, and 7, 5, say 7. So list plot, then these points will be shown. I think I have done some mistake. This should be inside. This is as a inside this curly bracket. So we'll get like this plot. So, and say then list range. We can also give the range command. So if I show range means it will give the range of number. Say first 20 numbers I want is a range. So if I put range 20, so you will get range 20. This is first 20 numbers. So I want to plot this first 20 numbers in this form. So I will just write list plot, then I will write range. Instead of writing all these numbers, I will simply write range 10. 10, 20, range 20. So we'll get this one like this. So we can have different also. So we can put another one. And say range, I will write 10. And what we'll get, we can check. So here something happened. So I will write, suppose we want it in the reverse direction. I will write reverse is the command. Reverse means it is from this direction. If we put in reverse, it is from other direction. So I will write like this. Let us see. Okay. List plot. I think there is some mistake. So we can see from here, from the help command. From help command, we can see. So want to reverse the list like this. Then how to draw a line. Drawing a line, say I want to draw a line, say line here, straight line. So if I write plot line, is there? So we have to search for it, command. So these commands we can search in net also, internet also we can search. So suppose I want to search here plot line in Mathematica. So in Google itself we can search, we'll get the command. So it is not plot line, it is simply line. Okay, it is simply command is line. So we'll write graphics line and the points and then points. So suppose our command will be like this. I will just copy paste here. So graphics line means we'll draw the graph, then graph of line which passes through the point 1 0 2 1 3 0 4 1. So these are the 4 points. So let us put them shift command. So we'll get this line. This is the line joining these points. So if I try to draw a circle, suppose I want to draw a circle. So what I will get? I just replace line by circle. So we'll get a circle. Get a circle like this. So this command can be searched from Google also, or also from the Mathematica itself. Help from the help. So these are some of the graphical things. Elementary. These are elementary things, but there are much higher. Arithmetics and mathematics calculations can be done using Mathematica. So online version is available. Only thing we need to have a ID which is freely available, so we can use those things. And these figures can be exported as PDF, which can be copied in other documents. So this much I will stop here. My network is also not so good today, so I will stop now. So this much.
Thank you very much, sir. It was indeed a very informative session. Things taught by you almost took us back to our mathematical days for those who are not in that background. Now the session is open for discussion. So I request all the participants to kindly post their queries in the chat box, or they may ask directly the same question to sir. Participants are requested to post their queries in the chat box, or they may directly ask the same. think there are no queries at all. Let me extend my gratitude to sir for giving us his precious time. And the lecture actually helped us a lot in understanding maths in a different way. Thank you very much, sir. This is for the kind attention of all the participants that today's session code is fish. For the second session, the code is fish. Let me repeat myself. For second session, the code is fish. Sir, there is a question, and this is from Saikia ma'am. She asked, for sign-in, do we have to use institutional email IDs?
No. For signing in this, for Mathematica,
Yeah.
we can use anyone. I have used Yahoo ID.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
The fourth day's assignment has been posted in the Google Classroom. Participants may look for the same. Okay. So all the participants are requested to switch on their videos so that we can have a group photo with sir. Sir, kindly please switch on your video. We want to have a group photo with you.
Yeah, done. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It is done. Tomorrow we will be here with the fifth day of the workshop. It will start at 10 a.m. sharp. All your presence is highly solicited. Thank you very much, and hope you bear with our lapses.
Shall I leave now? Yes.
Sir, sorry.
Yes. I will leave now. Thank you.
Yes, sir, you may. Yes, sir, you may. Thank you very much.